Hello guys, today we have to see how to open the Hala panel or party. Uh, More of you are boring about to open the Hala uh, party or panel. So if you open the platform first, the platform guides to this page, then you have to click the mic symbol here, mic symbol at the bottom of bottom corner. You have to click this mic. You have to click this mic. Then my panel was open before. Then this is my panel. But when you create the panel at the first time, it looks like this room seat, this dooms this. Then first you have to put your photo here, change camera. Then you have to create this, create this, um, create this at the title. You have to write. Then you have to tags emo emotion chatting or music, friends, fitness, lifestyle, or fashion. You have to select from this that I select friends. Then it asks you for your allow mic mode, free mic, apply for mic. I click the free mic. Then you have to select the types of seat, 9 seat or 16 seat. I make a 9 or 9 seat. Then announcement, you have to write here the announcement, here announcement, here okay, welcome and grow together. I write this. Then if I have finished this, I have to click a go chat. Then it takes me to the what? It takes me to the this party. Then I have sit here. I have sit here. I have to click the first seat. Then it takes me to then I am sitting on party now. This is my party or my home in Hala. Then if you want to minimize freely, you have to this at the right top corner. You have to this rectangle. You have to click that. Then I'm on party. I don't leave this party. You have to check your task. You have to take your task is here. The house also is still near. The money thing is in this platform. So if you want to understand about this platform, how to create a panel, the step of creating